Hi, this is Srikanth from CADiMate plus Far and By, and in this video we'll be solving a JNTU paper. The paper that we'll be taking this time, this is a paper given for EEE, ECE and EIE, and a paper which appeared in May-June 2017. You can pause it to view at different parts and just scrolling it down at the faster pace. Okay, the next problem wants us to do a sphere of 60 mm diameter placed centrally on top of frustum of a pyramid. The base of the frustum is 60 square, top is 40 square. So first we'll have to draw the front view of this XY line, and the bottom of the frustum is 60 square, so 60, and height of the frustum. Height is 50, and then the top of the frustum, base of the frustum 60, top is 40, okay, 40, so this has to come here to the point. Then we'll have to join this is the front view of the frustum, and then coming to the sphere, its diameter is 60, and it is placed centrally on top of it, so this is where it should appear. Okay, so I guess we have almost all of it. Let's continue to draw its top view. Let's start somewhere here. Okay, so this is the base, and then we might need to find the center and copy this over there. Okay. Okay, so we remove it. Fine, so let's move this midpoint to the center. Okay, this is the top view and this is the front view. So now having done both, let's continue to draw the isometric view. For isometric view, we'll need isometric map, and with orthographic we are good to go. So on this side we'll have to draw a length of 60, and as well as on this side we'll have to draw a length of 60. Copying them on this and this is just the bottom part. Next, from this midpoint we'll have to take the height is 50. Then on top we'll have to take 40. Yeah. And copy once again. Okay, copy this next. Okay, so this gives us the frustum. Okay, having got the frustum, next task for us is to and we'll also need 45 degrees. Circle. So we'll have to take this circle, and then we'll have to expand it. Fine. So this will be the actual circle. Now coming here, we'll have to take a height of the actual radius. Actual radius being 30. This is the center, and from that center we'll have to draw a circle. Okay, So this gives us the isometric view. Finally, just to make it dark, these are the darkest views, and remaining all are unnecessary. Okay, we are good to go. So there's a small change we need to do here. This just go behind, so they need to be hidden. Just like this. Fine. So this is the isometric view of whatever parts have been asked. Thank you for watching our video. These are our sponsors, Onshape College of Engineering and Srikanth Institute. You can find us on internet using these links. We have a WordPress blog at srikanth.wordpress.com. You can visit our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/srikanth, or you can also find our apps on Google Play Store by tapping this shortcut bit.ly/CAPK. You can contact us using our Gmail ID srikanth@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp us on our number 810-6464-676. You can also join our WhatsApp group by tapping this shortcut in your browser bit.ly/4vmate. So thank you for watching our videos. Keep subscribed to our videos for keeping up to date with all our future updates or future uploads. Thank you.